ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಯುವ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯಜಿ ಅವರೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿ ಕೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಜಿ ಅವರೇ, ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಸಲೀಂ ಅಹಮದ್ ಅವರೇ, ಧ್ರುವ ನಾರಾಯಣ್ ಅವರೇ, ಸೀತಾರಾಮ್ ಜಿ, ರಕ್ಷಾ ರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಜಿ, ದಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಯೂತ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, AAC सेक्रेटरी डिसौजा ಅವರೇ, ಸಂದೀಪ್ ಅವರೇ, महिला कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष, सभी सम्मानित नेतागण on the dais and my युवा मित्रों, it's an occasion for rededicate yourself, commit for the ideals of Rajiv ji, what once he said it. I would like to start my brief speech. Today is very much relevant. As Rajiv ji said once, India is an old country but a young nation. I am young and I too have a dream. I dream of India strong, independent, self-reliant, and in the front of rank of the world's countries, in the service of humanity. As I said, it is very much relevant today. In the last 7 years of Modi rule at center and illegitimate government at Karnataka, ruining the nations, our state of Karnataka and the country. Today we rank lowest in the terms of economic development. The GDP growth is lowest in the past 40 years. You, the youth of the nation, you are the forebearers of the country. As our young leader, former AICC president, our beloved leader Rahul ji always says, is fight for the truth and justice. It is fight for the self-reliant, learning from his Bharat Ratna father, former Prime Minister Rajiv ji, what Mr. Rahul Gandhi has said it. During UPA government, be it in a Rafale aircrafts or BHEL to IITs, IIMs, these modern temples of democracy built by Pandit Nehru ji and carried by the successive Congress governments. My appeal to the young brothers here, we have a dynamic leadership of the Karnataka State Congress, led by the Congress State President Shivakumar ji, Siddaramaiah ji. You have a more responsibility today. Unless you struggle, unless you build resistance, we cannot survive. Your own All India President from our own state, Srinivas ji, is example of providing the helping hand to the poor patients across the country. I think let's welcome All India Youth Congress President, our own Kannada Bidda, B.V. Srinivas ji. AICC Secretary in charge of Youth Congress, Krishna Alaveru ji. On behalf of all of you, I welcome both the leaders here. All India Youth Congress General Secretary from Telangana, Anil Kumar Yadav ji. So without taking too much of your time, your own All India Youth Congress President set an example. Even the opposition party people were reaching out to the IOC President during COVID pandemic situation in the country. We're still not yet over. You have a more responsibility, be it a price rise, be it an attack on the democracy, be it an attack on the freedom of expression. Today, our beloved leader Rahul Gandhi's other 5,000 Congress leaders' Twitter accounts has been blocked. Yesterday, myself and General Secretary in charge of Karnataka, Sri Randeep Singh Surjewala ji, we were discussing about it. How to raise this at international forum. The blocking of the Twitter account. I take this opportunity to talk to Krishna Alaveru ji and Srinivas ji. The Youth Congress across the country should protest this private people's suppression of freedom of expression. That's a freedom of expression, inclusivity, casteless society envisaged by our own Basavanna Basaveshwarji. Karnataka has a hundreds years of history. Basaveshwarji principles, you as a youth should follow it. And the constitution written by Bharat Ratna B.R. Ambedkar ji, the fundamental rights of the country today being suppressed. Friends, with one last message here, Karnataka youth has a bigger responsibility. We have two teams to fight here. The illegitimate government of BJP of Karnataka, corrupt government. Join the PCC here. You as a youth Congress should go to the street, expose the Modi government at center and illegitimate BJP government at the state. And one more danger, you as youth Congress should actively participate. Go to the streets, go to the villages, go to every household and educate how this JDS party is also indirectly helping the BJP in the state. Congress is stood for inclusive growth. Congress always stood for youth. And one last message, the in-charge secretary of the Karnataka state. I would like to assure you, Surjewalaji's message, wherever it is possible, the AICC is keen to encourage youth Congress leaders to fight coming assembly elections or parliament elections. That is Rahulji's message to all of you. The youth leaders who are working hard, fighting for the Congress party ideology, fighting for the India's cause, what Rahul Gandhi ji said it. It is time for you to rededicate with your new leader, Raksha Ramaiah, and you take up the issues of the national and state issues, and wish you all the best. Raksha Ramaiah and his new team, and every youth members who are here. Thank you. Jai Congress, Jai Karnataka.
Subscribe us and press the bell icon for more interesting updates.